How many can you get right? This is Funzies. Like and subscribe for more.
Today's category is Minecraft. 25 questions. Let's see how many you can get. Question 1. What villager type sells enchanted books? The answer is librarian. Question 2. What mob explodes when it gets close to a player? The answer is creeper. Question 3. Which pickaxe can mine obsidian? The answer is diamond. Question 4. What cave mob inflicts poison? The answer is cave spider. Question 5. What from height does fall damage start? The answer is 4 blocks. Question 6. What structure has a TNT trap in the desert? The answer is desert temple. Question 7. What hostile mob only spawns in swamp biomes at night? The answer is slime. Question 8. How do you respawn the Ender Dragon? The answer is 4 end crystals. Question 9. What biome has giant mushrooms and mushrooms? The answer is mushroom fields. Question 10. What biome has towering ice pillars? The answer is ice spikes. Question 11. What is the cold variant of the skeleton? The answer is stray. Question 12. How do you harvest honey safely? The answer is campfire under hive. Halfway there. 13 questions to go. Question 13. What iron ingot count makes a full armor set? The answer is 24. Question 14. What tool mines sand and gravel fastest? The answer is shovel. Question 15. What do you wear to safely look at Enderman? The answer is carved pumpkin. Question 16. What won the 2021 mob vote? The answer is a lay. Question 17. What skulk block summons the warden? The answer is Skulk Shrieker. Question 18. How many wither skeleton skulls to summon the wither? The answer is 3. Question 19. What color are creeper eyes? The answer is black. Question 20. What block lets you bounce without fall damage? The answer is slime block. Question 21. What nether creature helps you cross lava? The answer is Strider. Question 22. What item lets you name mobs? The answer is name tag. Question 23. Where can you find amethyst crystals? The answer is amethyst geodes. Question 24. What do wandering traders travel with? The answer is llamas. Question 25. What is the second female default skin called? The answer is Alex.
That's a wrap. Drop your score in the comments. Want to play with friends? Head to funzies.xyz. Challenge them live on any device. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.